mean we will stand up and start shouting slogans. Empowerment means we will live and we will let live. We will make this world a more peaceful, a more loving place to live in. Yes, is that or no? Can we do that? Very important for being successful is your attitude. Do you have a positive attitude, and do you have a conviction to believe that yes, I can achieve it? When the whole world says it's not possible, do I have the determination and the strength of character to say yes, I'm going to do it? Only those people who have that strength of character and who are that strong in life are able to achieve what they want to achieve. One very important thing which takes away success from our life is procrastination. You understand what is procrastination? Delaying things. Not prioritizing what you want in life. You're about to cook when your neighbor comes. So what you do is you start gossiping with her. So when the husband comes home, food is not there. So there is a fight. So what happened was, that time I was gossiping, I did not have a proper priority done to my work. So things went down the drain and there was a problem which happened. Do we prioritize? Do we have an action plan with us? The next sheet is, there is one goal setting sheet. I don't think we will be able to do it, but I'll tell you which is very, very important. There is a situation where the guests come in and you have to cook, right? Now if we have to analyze the situation, we'll have to see the other factors also. One, when the guests came in, were you tired or no? Does it happen very frequently, or it happens once in a blue moon? If it happens once in a blue moon, तो मेहमान भगवान होता है. And if it is happening regularly and I am not in a position, then I will not cook. I will try to find a different route. That is, we eat out. We will order from outside. We can have it home. This is all available. So what I am trying to tell you was, which ma'am related to was, we cannot judge the way our mothers were leading their life, because the circumstances, the situation we are into is very different from our mothers. So do not have that same standard. Please keep your standards higher or lower depending upon the life situation. Right? And also for being successful, very important is understanding, do we have a goal in our life? Do you all have a goal in your life? Please just think about it. I'll just take a moment. Think of. This happens so many times? Yes or no? Yes? I'll give you one small example of a female who came from South Africa. And it is a story which is around 40 years old. This girl was born in South Africa. At times we also have this mentality that I come from a small town, so I cannot grow as per the people of the big town. Those girls, those females are from big towns, they'll grow big in life. I cannot do that. This girl came from South Africa, came 40 years back. She lived not in a city of Africa, she lived in a village of South Africa. She was the 20th child of her parents. The parents had 22 children, she was the 20th. So you can understand the status of the family. Economically poor, uneducated, otherwise educated people will not go for 20 kids. She was born premature and she suffered from scarlet fever and pneumonia. Doctors thought she would not survive, but somehow she was a very strong girl. She survived. And she had paralysis in one of her legs. Doctor put braces around her leg. आपने देखा पोलियो जब होता है लोहे का एक structure लगा देते हैं so that the child can walk. Similar was the condition of this girl, and I am talking about this example which happened how many years back? Around 40 years back. Science was not that developed, people were not that advanced. So this happened 40 years back or probably more than that, and that this is a true story of self-belief and attitude in your own self. Doctors put a brace around her leg, and when she was around 9, she said to her parents, "I'm going to walk." And she removed her braces. It's easy to say this, but imagine somebody who is suffering from a polio-like condition comes and tells you, "I'm removing my braces and trying to walk." What will you say? What will the society say? What will the parents say? Everybody will be, probably they'll think there's something wrong with her, or she's gone mad, or this is not possible. But this girl took all the opposition from the society and she tried to walk. At around 13, at the age of 13, she started walking by, having a rhythmic walk. Langar langar ke chalna shuru kar diya usne. Doctors told, this is a miracle. This was not possible. How could this girl do it? It was something unthoughtable. No medical thing would work, but still the determination of the girl made her walk. But this girl was a little crack. She was a little peculiar girl. She was a very strange girl. One fine day, she got up and she announced in the family, this girl could be a doctor, she could be an engineer, she could be a teacher, she could do anything, right? But what she wanted to do was, she wanted to be a runner. A person who has polio wants to be a runner. Can you imagine how much strength and conviction she had when the doctors said, the society said, everybody said, no, it's not possible. She said, no, I will be a runner. And she just did not say it. She started running. She participated in races and she tried to run for years together. Every race she ran, she came last. That is what is expected. Yes? But this girl was strong. She believed in herself. She said, I'll challenge God. I'll challenge medicine. I'll challenge society. Let people make fun of me. आप देखिए अगर कोई ऐसे participate कर रहा है और वो जब हारता होगा तो उसके ऊपर लोग हंसते भी होंगे, मजाक भी उड़ाते होंगे, उसके parents को भी बोलते होंगे. But this girl did not give up, and she was not from a good family. She came from a very poor family, very poor family. And after years and years, one day she came first in a race. And then onwards, every race she participated, she came first. This is about attitude. This is about motivation. This is about belief in myself. Do you know who this girl was? I'll just show you. Wilma Rudolph. She won 3 Olympic gold medals. You can check on the internet. If this girl would do it, why do we compromise on our aspirations? Why don't you and me try to live a life which is ours? Why are we doing that to ourselves? And it's not that I'm 50 now, I'm 45 now, I'm 60 now. You can start anytime. There are so many people who start enrolling for higher education at 16. There are so many people who start to learn driving at 16. Yes? There are so many people who learn anything new at 60 or 70. I've seen people doing something new at 70 also. Why do we compromise? And when we compromise, something in ourselves dies and we are not happy about it. So please, stand up for yourself. Try to be happy, because if you are not happy, people around you can never be happy. Because what you have in yourself will go out, it will radiate out. Yes or no? If you are putting perfume on yourself, you will smell good. And if there is something toxic on you, it will smell bad. That is for your feelings also. If your feelings are good, people around you will be happy. If your feelings are not good, you will not make people happy. So live a life that is yours. Remember, have goals for yourself. Do not compromise in life. You never know whether you will get it again or not. The biggest regret one can have in life is किसी को इस बात का कभी दुख नहीं होता कि मैंने कोशिश करी थी और मैं अचीव नहीं कर पाया। आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन रहती है, I tried, I couldn't do it. That is simply what you say, right? But the biggest regret in life is I was capable and I did not do it. मैं कर सकता था पर मैंने किया नहीं. That is the biggest regret of anybody's life. कि मेरे अंदर ये करने की क्षमता थी and I couldn't just do it. I was scared. आप किसी को और को पता हो या नहीं हो, आपको कोई डेक्लेमेशन में बोलता है stand up and speak. There are one or two people who raise their hand and you want to speak but you don't raise your hand. But उस दिन पूरा दिन लगता रहता है यार मैं भी हाथ उठा लेता. Yes, because you can cheat, manipulate, or give logic to hundreds and crores of people around you, but you cannot cheat and give logic to yourself. You cannot fool yourself. And when you cannot fool yourself, and if you do not use your capabilities to the highest, you will never be happy. Explore yourself. Find something new. Try new things. Change the way things are. Redecorate your house. Speak differently to your spouse. Play with your kids. Give a smile to the neighbors. Go and hug the person you don't like. I tell you, it will give you immense pleasure. It will be difficult once or twice and then you will get addicted. You know Yasser Arafat? He used to go and hug everybody. Yes? And he achieved a lot with it, man. He achieved a lot with his hugs and kisses. Try to do something. You might be called a maniac. Let you be a maniac. But try to experiment with your life. Positive experiments with life, not negative ones. Very positive experiments. At even 70 years or 75 years or even 90 years, life doesn't stop. Life only stops when you stop. Till you are there, try to do something new. Try to do just one new thing in your life. And in a year, you would have done 365 new things. Life will change. Try to follow the person whom you like the best. जिससे आपको सबसे ज्यादा जलन है उसको कॉपी करने की कोशिश करो, क्योंकि जलन सिर्फ उसी से होती है जो आपसे ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल होता है. आपको कभी अपने काम वाली बाई से जेलसी नहीं होती. आपको कभी अपनी काम वाली बाई से जेलसी नहीं होती. आपको कभी किसी गरीब के बच्चे से जेलसी नहीं होती. आपको हमेशा अपने से सुपीरियर से जेलसी होती है. और इंटेलिजेंट हो अगर आप, जिससे आपको जेलसी हो उसको दोस्त बना के उसकी अच्छी क्वालिटी सीखो. Try to change life. Life is beautiful. Live life like a child. Don't lose your innocence. Try, experiment, explore. Can you do that? Yes? No, I want a strong yes. Can you do that? Yes. Will you try it? Yes. I would want to show you a small video which is a crux of everything that I